Hello again, Japanese classic car fans. So I did a review of this Toyota Crown by TLV not too long ago, and I ordered it from Japan, and it's really old. 2003 is the copyright, and the paint is relatively good. Only some tiny little nicks, but it could have been chipped by the owner. It was definitely a used box. So in that same video I showed this one. We're going to try to open this guy up today. I haven't opened it yet. And hopefully it's in good condition, just like that other one I just showed you. So what we have here is LV-06, the sixth one from Tomica Limited Vintage. The Corona 1500 here, obviously used, hopefully not abused. The Corona from 1960 to 64 would be considered the second generation, body code T20. And when it was exported, it was known as the Tiara, kind of like a crown. Trying to follow that naming, but anyways, it's the second, I guess. It's a step down from the Toyota Crown, and it was in 1960. It had a small, meager engine, so in 1961 they bumped it up to a 1.5 liter. Although I couldn't find the power ratings for it. If it's 1.5, I don't know at this age. Maybe it could have been 80, 90 horsepower. If I had to guess, anyone knows? Please leave a comment. Looks kind of like an American car there. I feel like there's some Chevrolet going on in the styling of the headlight pontoons there. Seems to be a nice metallic gold. Unfortunately, these two images came from the same internet website, so I can't control zoom them separately. I'm using Google Chrome. If anyone knows how to change the settings so I can control zoom this one smaller, but that one stays the same size. I don't know how to do that, so that's why this rear image looks huge, because I want it to have a decent size side image. Alright, come on, let's hope that this thing is in good condition. We have a nice metallic gold. It's pretty shiny, pretty nice. We have the white wall tires, and they look pretty good. Some hubcaps, which makes sense for that time frame. They look alright. Is there suspension? Oh, there is. I thought the Crown didn't have suspension, so let me go back and just pull that out here, because no, see, this one doesn't. So this is from 2003. When is this? 2004. I mean, it's only a year later, so maybe in 2004 that's when they introduced suspension, or maybe for some reason they just skipped it on that one. Alright, no big deal. I don't really care about suspension anyways, but I know some of you guys probably do. We have a nice raised little chrome trim line here, painted silver of course, and right here there's a little text. I almost missed it because it's silver on gold, but I can't make that out. I'm gonna assume that's cursive for Toyopet Corona, but it's really hard to tell because of this color of the car. Well, while we're here, we got some raised and painted silver door handles, a little silver paint on the windows. Oh, cool, no side window. Raised painted silver window molding. It's a tiny striation here, and then there's some sort of badge there. Sorry, who's in focus there? Alright, so that's pretty nice detail. And here we have 1500 that I can read. What the heck is this? That's weird. Oh, this might be part of the casting. Maybe they did the mold breaks here, and they just didn't sand this off properly. Alright, well, it's not too bad. I mean, I'm looking at this under a lot of magnification. Let me back out, actually. Now we're on 2 magnification, that is. Nice clear headlights, nice clear turn signals, nice texture in the grille, and a little bit of black printed on that logo, so that's cool. Nice separate chrome bumper. Over on this side, the white walls are pretty good again. Yeah, so this must be a brake, but this side is perfect. Look at that line, it's like perfect. Alright, somewhat wide panel gaps, but nothing too bad. Still probably better than most Hot Wheels. And yeah, this side looks good as well. Let's go around to the back. Nice clear tail lights here. Nice clear backup lights, I'm assuming. Or these are probably turn signals also. Really strange styling. Why would these be so big compared to those? Blank white license plate painted on the casting. Separate chrome bumper. It says Toyo Pet there. And then let's try this text here. 1500 Deluxe, I think, or that says 1500 Deluxe. I can definitely see 1500, and this probably says Corona. I used to drink that beer. I think this is that break again, carrying across. It's not so bad though. Alright. Well, I gotta say, I am lucky again. Alright, little texture up here. Alright, so it's nice that there's no side glass. I think I have the wrong angle going on here with the lights, but so let me pull out the flashlight. Let's see what's going on. Oh, I think it's because it's a black interior. It's just hard to see what the details are. But there's a steering wheel and a little radio controls, maybe a glove box there. And focus again. Some ribbing on the seats. I think the doors. Yeah, there's an armrest there on the door. It doesn't go all the way up though, the interior piece. It's kind of weird actually. Like, usually I'm just used to seeing that interior side plastic go all the way up or close to the window. But maybe they were trying to actually show like the interior is two-tone by having it not go all the way up and painting the inside gold like the outside. I don't know. What do you guys think about that? Is that effective or not? For me, I think I'd just rather have the whole interior plastic go all the way up because the seats are all the way up even further than the casting window. Alright, well anyways, it's not bad. Let's compare it to a couple other Coronas. I have two. Alright. Well, with only two, I guess I'll just pull out the regular coaster here. A solar coaster. These are both, no, I'm mistaken. The first one is by Konami, and it's the Toyota Corona 1600 GT. And this would be the third generation Corona, between 1967 and 1972. I already forget what I said a few minutes ago, but this is the second generation Corona. I think I mentioned that. Man, I have Alzheimer's. Alright, this last one I'm going to pull up is by Dido. It is a Toyota 1600 GT, but a racing version. So, quite a change in the styling. You know, the newer one has 4 headlights and squarish taillights. It's just a complete, total change in direction of styling. I kind of like this. Maybe it's because it's a new model to me, but it looks like a small Chevy. Am I right? Okay. Let's get a top view here, see if they grew in size. They do seem to be only slightly longer, I think. It grew a little bit. Alright. Alright, well, I gotta say, I lucked out. Maybe my luck is changing with this brand. First I boycotted this brand from online purchases. But you know, this is LV number 6. I can't find it locally. I have to go online to find the old stuff. The new TLVs I try to buy at a store and look at them in person. And I gotta say, I've looked at 6 of the identical new models, and a lot of them will have this weird clear coat that's like scratched, or it looks weird. But maybe TLV just did a better job back in the early 2000s with the paint, and maybe they're just getting cheap or something, because I still, you know, I still gotta give this brand a hard time. But this classic one mailed from Japan, it's in great shape, and I'm very happy. So I know there's one commenter, Hanyu, I don't know how to pronounce your last name, sorry, but you know who you are. So hey, there you go. This is a good one. So thanks. Thanks for always supporting TLV. I generally don't. But if eventually most of my TLVs look as nice as this, I will start to love the brand. Unfortunately, right now it's still, the percentages are working in the favor of me hating this brand. Anyways, I still will continue to collect them because they make such cool, interesting subjects. I don't see any other brand coming out with a Toyo Pet Corona 1500, But TLV will just do the random Japanese cars because they seem to be a brand only focusing on the Japan market in many cases, just based on the packaging. A lot of their packaging has absolutely very indication that they even care about the English language at all. So anyways, alright, so this is like a good and bad video. This is a great model. This is a great experience. But I just have to forewarn all the newcomers to the channel or anyone new to collecting that it's possible you might have problems with this brand. That's also the case for almost every other brand though as well, including the expensive resins. So just beware of that. You can just search my channel. I think I have over 1,000 videos now. It might take a while. So anyways, I appreciate everyone's time, and I'll see you the next time I get LTLV. Alright, bye-bye.